Hi guys, welcome back to another Drive-Thru Thursday here on BigJon TV, where we are all about
food, family, and fun.
And what do we do on Thursdays?
Find what's hot and trending in the world of fast food and try these quick bites.
If it's making
Facebook pages, restaurant windows, emails,
all those kind of things. We came here for one thing, but they didn't have it.
Mine's dripping.
So now we're having something else.
Yes.
So I think we may have ordered these in the past, but they weren't featured in a video. We really wanted to get the frosted sugar cookie blizzard, but our store did not have the ingredients for that one yet. The frosted sugar cookie is the newest flavor, along with the returning candy cane one, or a peppermint chill, peppermint something like that. But they didn't have them. So instead, we have got the hot cocoa Oreo.
And what is mine?
Or Oreo hot cocoa. And you have cinnamon roll centers. So just the center of the cinnamon roll.
That's the best part.
For real. These are the minis because they're $3.69 here, and I didn't really want that much blizzard anyways.
Okay, I gotta hurry up and try mine because I definitely haven't already.
They're super melty already, even though it's only like 50 degrees outside.
That's because the car is warm.
That's true. So talk to me about yours.
That's good. It's the little chunks are very like gooey.
Mm-hmm.
They're really good. And it's got a really good cinnamon flavor. I like this.
Ooh. It's almost like a maybe a cinnamon fudge kind of thing.
Yeah.
Great cinnamon flavor without being too sweet.
Mm-hmm. Careful.
Where'd those napkins go? Thank you. My name's like, don't ignore me. Review me. So the Oreo hot cocoa is the chocolate ice cream with chunks of Oreo. And it tastes just like frozen hot chocolate. The Oreo pieces are still like nice and crunchy in there.
Mm.
It's a good chocolatey flavor,
It's like
right?
super rich.
Mm-hmm. I feel like it's richer than their normal chocolate. Like maybe they put extra in it. I like this one. Which do you like better?
That one flavor-wise, but I really like the chunks in this one.
Those cinnamon chunks would be fun to add to other things.
Yeah.
I'm trying to catch all the drips. This is dangerous. So perhaps we'll have to come back when they get the ingredients to make the frosted sugar cookie. Because they look like the really good Loft House fluffy cookies with the nice sugary frosting. But I think these are a good alternative.
Yeah. And I still got ice cream, so it's okay.
Right, bonus. Like I said, $3.69 for the mini. These things are not cheap anymore. But this is literally the perfect size for me. Oh, there it goes dripping in.
You gotta eat it, man.
I know, but I gotta talk too. What else can you say about yours?
It's not as strong as I thought it was gonna be. There's like still the vanilla-y.
So these were part of their fall lineup, along with pumpkin pie, the Reese's Take 5, and a Snickers brownie blizzard. Oh, and the very cherry chip. So yeah, but check, yours may still have them around just like ours because they didn't get the new ones in yet. So you can't get rid of the
chunks.
You can't get rid of the old ones when you still got the new one. When you haven't got the new ones.
Yeah, all the chunks are at the top.
Oh yeah, yours didn't get mixed in very good. I did get a couple little chunks there. I do like those. That one, you could tell me it was snickerdoodle, and I would think it was snickerdoodle.
Here's your win. I like them.
I actually prefer the Oreo hot cocoa. I think it's more of a rich flavor. Good?
Yep.
All right, guys. I got something in my eye, probably hair.
I want an ice cream cake with that.
Ooh, like in the center? That would be good. Does Dairy Queen make ice cream cakes? I don't know either. Do you guys have a Dairy Queen near you? If you do, what's your favorite thing to order there? Normally, I like their brownie and their Heath Bits in a blizzard.
I like cookie dough because I'm boring, but the cookie dough is really good.
Well, you're not as boring as Jamie, who likes to order
Vanilla.
just vanilla ice cream. Actually, he likes vanilla with Oreos in it, so cookies and cream. Whatever. All right, guys. Make sure you do all the things. Like, subscribe, share with your friends.
You can find BigJon TV on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok.
That's right. Catch you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.